So here at this particular property, we got here a little bit of a drainage issue, as you can see. So this particular building was built, we're standing in the edge of a retention pond, water always runs off. And this particular client has downspouts, and these downspouts run down and then they dump right here at the edge of the building. And originally, the dirt is all the way up to here, and you can see, if I step down in here, you can see that dirt is going all the way down to my knee. That kind of gives you an idea here of how much erosion has taken place over the last year and a half, 2 years on this particular property. This would eventually it's going to cause some erosion issues. It's also going to cause some foundation issues if they don't come in and do some work to get this fixed and cleaned up. So if you have these kind of issues around your home, don't just leave them. Let's go ahead and get those assessed, get those repaired, because it's easier to repair it than it is to have to fix it if you crack the foundation or something. So kind of keep an eye out for this around your landscape, and let us know if you need some help with it.